How to fix Stremio app not working. So the first thing you can do in order to fix your issue is that make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you can turn on the cellular data and check whether the app is working or not. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch Google Play Store. Now, go ahead and search for Stremio. And once you find the application, instead of the option of Open, if you see the option of Update, tap on it and make sure that the Stremio app is updated to its latest version. Once you update the app, all the bugs, issues, and app errors will be fixed. You could also tap on Uninstall and then reinstall Stremio app again. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Apps. From here, you could directly go to the search bar and simply search for Stremio. Here we go. Now, once you come to App Info page, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now, at the bottom, you'll see the category of Clear Cache. Tap on it. By doing so, you will be able to fix your issue. Now, the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that you could launch any search engine or web browser on your mobile device. And then you can simply search for Contact Stremio Customer Support. From here, go to the official website or Stremio Help Center you see over here on your search results. I'm going to tap on this link on top. Now, in order to submit a request, fill in your details such as your email address, device operating system from here. Now, operating system version and detailed description of your issue. You can also enter your Stremio version and add attachments if you have any screenshots or video recordings of the error you are facing. Then you can tap on Submit. So follow these easy steps in order to fix Stremio app not working. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.